Right. Give me a second.
Let's just get myself prepared first. Let me log into my things first, and then we can get started with what we're going to talk about today, which is going to discuss photosynthesis and cellular respiration. More specifically, their relationship. I'm not talking if you know what I mean. I'm talking about their relationship scientifically. But first, let me get my glasses because I'll just look more professional and more smart with those on. So I'll be right back. Let's get started. Now, we need to log in really quick, so let me just do that. Let me also put on this chapstick because we don't like chapped lips. Okay, so I'm gonna try to keep this really professional. I'm sorry about the chair, first of all. I'm not changing it, just deal with the squeak. I'm gonna try to make this really professional because my teacher's gonna see this and most of my class is gonna see this. You guys are watching this and I'm already embarrassed. So, let's get hopping. What the, dude? Okay, so let me give you a few background before I start. So I made a slideshow earlier this week. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna be reading from that. So don't get it twisted, kids. Don't think I'm going on the internet because I don't know what I'm doing. Let's get started. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Let's explain their relationship. I'm gonna explain what it is first, just so you guys get the gist of what we're gonna go on for what the relationship means. Photosynthesis, pronounce photosynthesis.
Bruh.
Now, it would be kind of sus if you didn't get anything out of a boring paragraph that I would write. For you, I'm gonna write bullet points. These bullet points will explain what photosynthesis is first. Photosynthesis is the process in which the sun's energy is turned into chemical energy. Keep in mind that photosynthesis happens in the plants. Plants are producers. And what are producers? Producers are the living things that make their own energy. They make their food rich using the sun's energy. Okay, this part was always so confusing for me, so I'm gonna try to make this as simple as possible. But there's an equation for photosynthesis that goes like this: carbon dioxide plus water. Then there's like an arrow that symbolizes the energy. And then it points to what's next on the equation, which is sugar and oxygen. And that's really all you need to know about photosynthesis. Next, now we finna be talking about cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is what animals use. Photosynthesis is for the plants, and cellular respiration is the process that is used by animals. I'm getting tired of explaining this, so I'm gonna try to make it as simple as possible. Cellular respiration is a process where sugar is turned into carbon dioxide, water, and energy. I may not have said this earlier, but in photosynthesis, it happens with plants, and plants are producers. With cellular respiration, it's the opposite. They're consumers. There's an equation for this process too, and it is basically the exact opposite of photosynthesis, which goes like sugar plus oxygen, and then there's an arrow, but that arrow represents heat. And then it points to the right, which then says carbon dioxide and energy. Okay, I'm done. Next slide. Now we move on to my actual assignment, which was to explain their relationship. It's not a love relationship. It's not like they mingle in with each other. Get your mind out of the gutter here. We're actually talking about their scientific relationship. I said all this extra stuff, which I really wasn't supposed to say, but now you should understand what photosynthesis is and what cellular respiration is. Now here's the relationship between photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Basically, without one, you can't have the other. Let me break it down for you. I forgot my notes, guys. You see? It's not in that one. Bro. Photosynthesis makes glucose. Glucose is sugar. And cellular respiration, which makes ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Photosynthesis requires CO2, which is carbon dioxide, and releases oxygen. And cellular respiration requires oxygen and releases CO2, carbon dioxide. You see where I'm getting at with this? If you don't have photosynthesis, which makes carbon dioxide. You can't have cellular respiration. If you don't have photosynthesis, we don't have oxygen. Cellular respiration needs oxygen. So without that, none of these processes work. Turned around. If we don't have cellular respiration that has and produces CO2, photosynthesis doesn't get CO2, which makes it impossible for both these processes to work. I don't know if any of that made sense. Basically, you can't have one without the other. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't make fun of me. And bloopers are gonna play right now, so I'm gonna pause it before it gets there because they're kind of boring. And if you guys wanna watch that, okay, bye. Give me a second. Bro, why do I look like Bloody Mary? Nope, now I don't have eyebrows. Now I look creepy. How we finna fix this? That's cute. That's a look, right? Why do I have my earphones on? I have my... Okay. Why? Here, what if I like do this? That's quality content. Now, I'm not talking... We need to log in really quick. I need water. I made a... What is going on? Give me a minute. This is not working for me. What is going on? Thank you. I already went through this. What the? Okay, I made a slideshow earlier this week. I think I'm gonna also turn in, but this is for more of like an entertainment person. For a more entertainment concept for you guys, so you guys aren't bored out by what is it called? A slideshow? A something point. A point document? What's the word? Let me find it. What is it called? A point. I don't know what it's called, but I think you guys get what I mean. It's called a PowerPoint. It's just so you guys get the gist of like what we're gonna go on for what the relationship means. Okay. Photosynthesis. Oh my gosh. My phone's running out of battery. Sorry, just give me a moment. Oh. I already know it's gonna be so much. Oh. Cool. Photosynthesis. Is a process where sugar is made into carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Okay. Cellular respiration. Okay, let's. I'm trying to be serious. Let's keep it going. I have to make myself look professional. Cellular respiration is a process where sugar is made into carbon dioxide, water, and why did I say carbon dioxide like that? Okay. Cellular respiration is a process in which belle, where sugar. Okay. And then there's an arrow, but that arrow is carbon dioxide and energy. Carbon dioxide and energy. Carbon dioxide and energy. Next slide. Now, here's the relationship between cellular... Now, here's the... I'm freaking out. Where's the thing? Gosh, there's gonna be so much footage in here that I'm not gonna use, and it's gonna look so boring when I edit it. It might look fun to you, But me editing this is a pain because there's just a bunch of boring footage of me trying to find out what to say and me cutting out what I'm saying wrong. Yeah, the video's 24 minutes and 47 seconds long without editing. How do you think I'm doing? Why you do this? Anyways, let's get on with the video. Help me. You can't have cellular... This is the making of the thumbnail. I look like... This has been fun. The editing is being a B word, and I know this, and I haven't even started filming yet. And I haven't even started editing yet. See, there's another thing that I needed to cut out. And now I have to cut that out. And I'm pretty sure me editing is having and going through hell. Sorry. Okay, bye.